If you are carrying a guilt, you can never perform perfectly. You must get rid of your guilt. In Hindi we say, "Raat gayi to baat gayi." So you must not have the guilt. Yesterday night you fought with your husband, but today you are happy. You are no more fighting because the past is past. Every guilt is a fresh blunder. You should remove the guilt from your mind. Then you can perform well. Carry dual responsibility, both the family and the job. Remove guilt. Your guilt is eating you. It's a cancer of the soul. The soul is rendered immobile because of the guilt complex. No more guilt. As Jesus said, everybody is a sinner. Then you are also a sinner. Where is the guilt? Jesus said to that lady, prostitute, when people were throwing stones on the prostitute, he said, those persons who have not committed sins, they can throw the stones on her. And nobody could do that because they know their own sinners nature. So everybody is guilty. You are also guilty. No problem in that. Everybody else is equally guilty. So your guilty is common. Forget about it. When you remove the guilt from your mind, you are enlightened. And you can carry all the responsibilities, family responsibilities, community responsibilities, worldwide responsibilities. All you can manage in one time, in one place. Remove the guilt. How can you remove the guilt? You must come into the spiritual fold. You must enter the Sajjana Sangatya. Buddham Sharanam Gacchami, Dharmam Sharanam Gacchami, Sangham Sharanam Gacchami. Then you will remove the guilt. Then you will be able to perform well. Whether you are a king or a household wife, doesn't matter. The principles are the same. No more guilt. You must have taken meat, but now that you have become a vegetarian, forget about it. Raat gayi to baat gayi. We will face the consequences. No more guilt. Every guilt is a fresh blunder.